There are some spiritual teachers who don't just teach, they transform. For me, Paramahansa Yogananda has been one of those rare souls. In this video, I want to share who he was, how I found his teachings, and why his message continues to change lives all over the world. Born in India in 1893, Paramahansa Yogananda came to the West in the 1920s to share the ancient science of Kriya Yoga and the universal truth of the soul. He taught that we are more than the body and the mind, that we are divine, eternal consciousness, and that self-realization is our highest purpose. His most famous book, Autobiography of a Yogi, has touched millions and continues to be a spiritual lighthouse for seekers of all paths. When I first read his words, I felt like he was speaking directly to my soul. There was a deep peace behind every sentence. What I love most is how practical and universal his message is. It doesn't matter your religion or background. He invites each of us to go within and discover our connection to God directly through meditation, stillness, and love. On this channel, I will be sharing reflections inspired by Yogananda's teachings, how they apply to daily life, how they have helped me in difficult times, and how anyone can benefit from this timeless wisdom. Whether you are new to his teachings or have walked this path for years, I hope this space becomes a source of peace, inspiration, and inner strength. Thank you for being here. If this message speaks to you, I'd love to have you as part of this journey. Feel free to subscribe and join me as we walk the path toward the true self together.